Looks like we had a great year. I could buy that new truck I've been looking at.
Hold up, Lou. If you want to buy a new truck, we should take a look at your balance sheet first.
Oh, okay. I thought I was in good shape, though. I can apply for another loan. Maybe pay off the loan I have first. That'll help.
You've been doing great keeping up with your entries and doing them correctly. This means you have information in the balance sheet that you can analyze to help you make decisions, like if your assets or equity will cover the loan you are trying to get, or if your business is doing as well as it could compared to others in the industry.
Oh, that's useful stuff, I guess, but how do I do that? Can I just print a report?
There's a little bit of calculation involved, Lou. You calculate ratios using information already on the balance sheet to look at your financial performance in different categories, like how well your business can cover its debts.
Wait, so you're gonna make me do math?
Oh, Lou, it's not a calculus exam. They are simple calculations, I promise. You use these ratios by plugging your existing financial information into the simple formulas. That Lou is always looking to buy new things. It's really typical of small business owners that have successfully expanded a little. They want to put all their earnings into new equipment and tools and services. It's admirable, but you have to be careful. We're going to show Lou how to look at his balance sheet in ways that can help him make decisions and also give him insight on how his business stands among others in the same industry. This should help him decide if he should spend more or apply for a loan or pull back a little and wait. We'll analyze the balance sheet using ratios. While there are many ratios to look at, we are going to use four common financial ratios that will be best for him and his business size.